Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to insert a Project Assets Tracker building block in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Click on the exact position on your page where you want to insert your Project Assets Tracker table. Type the @ symbol on your keyboard to open the Smart Insert drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Building Blocks section or type @Project Assets into the search bar. Click directly on Project Assets from the drop-down results list. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu bar, click on Insert, hover over Building Blocks, and select Project Assets. Google Docs will instantly insert a structured asset tracking table equipped with pre-formatted columns for asset, status, description, and file link. Click on the interactive status drop-down chips inside any table cell to quickly update asset states such as draft, in review, or approved. Click inside the file link cells and type the @ symbol to quickly link Google Drive files, Google Sheets, design files, or external web links. Right-click inside any row or column to add or delete table cells to match your specific asset workflow needs. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.